Galaxy dehumidifiers require servicing at a minimum of once per year. This is done in just a few simple steps. Without proper maintenance, premature failure of components can occur. Step 1. Place the dehumidifier into the off position. This is done by pressing the on/off on the front of the control panel. It can take up to 3 minutes to cycle off. Remove the prefilter by rotating the inlet collar counterclockwise until it releases, then pull outward. Remove the prefilter from the inlet collar. Rinse the prefilter from the back side with a low flow of clean water to remove the buildup. The prefilter may be soaked in a mild cleaner such as dishwashing liquid if needed. Place the prefilter to the side to dry while moving on to the next step. Step 2. Inspect the coil surface for buildup and clean if needed. Use an approved foaming coil cleaner that is safe on all surfaces. This can be purchased at most major supply stores or online. Spray the entire surface area and allow to soak. It is not necessary to rinse the surface because the condensation will do it for you when the machine is restarted. Step 3. If you are servicing an Eclipse, you will need to clean and disinfect the pump using the following basic instructions. Mix a 16-ounce solution using 1 ounce of bleach to 15 ounces of water, or 4 ounces of white vinegar to 12 ounces of water. Press the drain button to empty the pump reservoir. Once the pump cycle completes, disconnect the dehumidifier from its power source. Slowly pour the solution into the drain tray at the base of the coils. Allow the solution to soak for a minimum of 15 minutes. Reconnect the dehumidifier to the power source. Slowly pour clean water into the drain tray at the base of the coils until the pump cycles at least twice. This will remove the cleaning solution and help to flush the drain line. You can use the same solution to clean out the gravity drain of the Galaxy by slowly pouring it into the drain tray at the base of the coils, then flush it out with clean water. Place the dehumidifier back into the on position, then observe for proper operation. Once the steps have been completed for basic servicing, reinstall the prefilter inlet collar. Place the collar into the position by aligning the retainers and rotate clockwise until it locks. If the basic cleaning is not sufficient, continue to the advanced cleaning instructions.
Thank you for watching, and see you